Bebe. If you're still considering what you should be this Halloween, why not try becoming a Tang Dynasty girl? In this video, I'm going to show you my take on this ancient Chinese look, including my makeup, hair, and outfit. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Let me just quickly put on some foundation. I'm using a flat foundation brush to apply my foundation today. Now I'm going to blend it out using this Ghost Shape Puff because I think it matches the Halloween theme. My lips are feeling kind of dry. Now I'm going to apply some cream highlighter to everywhere I want to highlight. I'm just blending it out with the same puff. I'm also going to apply some powder right under my eyes to prevent my eyeliner from smearing. When it comes to makeup from Tang Dynasty, everything is red tones. So I picked this Perfect Diary palette that's inspired by red crown creams. Let's switch to a different brush. I'm using an angled liner brush and the darkest eyeshadow from the cream palette to wing my eyeliner upward. It's easier to get the angle I want with the brush. It also tends to smudge less and look softer since I'm applying an eyeshadow. I'm gonna curl my lashes first before I pop on some falsies. This is the falsies I'm applying today. It has some strands that are much longer than the others. The longer ones are called fairy hair in Chinese, and it's a lash style that's very popular in China at the moment. I need to add some liquid eyeliner to hide the bands of my falsies better. I'm also applying some mascara to my real lashes. I'm wetting a pencil brush with some Fix Plus so the glitter eyeshadow can show up better. This is honestly my favorite step. I'm going to apply this blush to the area right beneath my eyes. I'm also going to add some to the tip of my nose. Now I'm going to apply this highlighter using my finger. Now I'm going to use this red liquid eyeliner to draw out the prints the Tang Dynasty girls usually have on their faces. My hair is not looking great today, but it's okay, I'm gonna braid it. Okay, this is how I'm gonna do my hair today. I'm gonna be super bad explaining this, but you'll see. First, I'm gonna take a section of my hair right next to my ear. Then I'm gonna tie it with a hairband. Then I'm gonna find a hole here, then I'm gonna flip my hair through the hole. Then I'm gonna pull the ends to make it tighter. We're gonna do the same for the other side. Then I'm gonna tie all my hair into two low pigtails. Now I'm gonna use a curling iron to curl my pigtails. I want to get rid of my bangs so the print here shows. So I'm going to take all my bangs and twist it. Then I'm going to pin it with a hair clip. This hair clip is a bunny shaped one because I have a lot of bunnies in this look, you'll see. For the outfit I picked for this look. I also have matching nails. And here are the shoes. I also bought a moon bunny pack for this look. It actually holds quite some stuff. And I also have a Jack Moon Bunny lantern. The Moon Bunny is a mythical figure from Chinese folklore who lives on the moon. She is a friend of moon goddess Tang, and she is constantly counting the elixir of life for her. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and let me know in the comment section if you would like to try this look for Halloween. Bye!